2012 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, anti-lock braking system, running boards, stability control, dual airbags, four-wheel ABS, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.